ADHD.
No,
Dementia.
not today.
Post-traumatic stress disorder.
PTSD? I mean, I'm up for the challenge. Let's go.
Warning, this simulation is vivid. You will get triggered.
What were those nightmares? I'm shaking and I'm sweating. I feel like something really bad just happened, but I don't know what.
Phase 1, domestic violence.
What?
Hey, can I have a word with you? So, I just came home and the dishes aren't done yet. I know you said you would do them! It's just that I've been working all day, and this is what I come home to. Why are you like this? What's wrong? Look what you're making me do! Why are you crying?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Angry at you. Come here.
It's my fault.
It's
I'm
just
sorry.
the dishes.
I'm sorry.
I can do them today.
I'm sorry.
You can do them tomorrow. It's okay. Just breathe.
Just breathe. Just breathe. It's just a car. You'll be fine. Nothing's gonna happen. Where am I going again?
Phase 2, car crash.
Nothing feels real. Am I dreaming?
Hey, are you ready to go? Don't worry, I'm gonna get you some help, okay?
Oh yeah.
Just fasten your seatbelt.
What the hell was that? What's wrong with you?
Where are you going?
I'm gonna walk to the damn appointment. Screw you. You know I'm sensitive to sound. She's so irritating. She knows how sensitive I am. Everybody is just so stupid. They keep triggering me, and it's making me so freaking angry. I'll walk to the damn doctor's appointment. I don't need to get into a bloody car.
Phase 3, war.
Wait. No. No. No, 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 no. I need cover. I need to find cover. What's on my hands? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? No. No, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I can still save them. I can still help. No. 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 It's all my fault. It's all my fault. I'm worthless. I deserve this. I deserve this. I don't feel anything anymore. I don't feel anything anymore. I just wanted to stop. I just want the pain to stop. I don't want to die. I just wanted to stop. I just wanted to stop. Are you okay? What's wrong? What are you doing?
Simulation completed. You passed.
You almost died. Snap out of it.